Rediscover the warmth of a family dinner with our chicken and potato casserole. Softness and flavor in a single dish that will win you over at the first taste. Ingredients: 500 grams of potatoes, 400 grams of chicken breast, 200 milliliters of fresh cream for cooking, 100 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 cloves of garlic, a sprig of fresh rosemary, salt and pepper, extra virgin olive oil. Start by boiling the potatoes in salted boiling water until they become soft enough to be mashed. Once cooked, peel them, if you prefer, and roughly mash them with a fork or a potato masher, creating a rustic mixture. In the meantime, cut the chicken breast into cubes of about 1 or 2 centimeters and season them with salt and pepper. Heat a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil in a pan and sauté the chicken cubes until they are cooked through and slightly crispy on the outside. Add the whole garlic, cloves, and rosemary to flavor, taking care not to burn them. Combine the chicken with the mashed potatoes, adding the fresh cream and grated Parmesan cheese. Mix well to blend the ingredients. Transfer the mixture into an oven-proof dish, previously greased with a little oil, and sprinkle with more Parmesan cheese. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes, or until the surface of the casserole becomes golden and crispy. Let rest for a few minutes before serving. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for many more heartwarming recipes like this chicken and potato casserole, and visit our website to discover much more. Bring this delicious casserole to the table and feel at home, surrounded by love and authentic flavors. The chicken and potato casserole, a dish that combines the softness of mashed potatoes with golden pieces of chicken for a special evening full of traditions and good food. Bon appétit, everyone!